Hey Suzanne, this is hey Suzanne, it's Greg T from the Image Stop doing a quick video as promised for your for doing the I guess the adding the slider to your home page. And in the midst of doing this, I'm going to show you the whole visibility, the hiding things as well, just so you can see how that can work for you. So then I guess by doing so, you won't need to create new pages and things and have a whole bunch of clutter in the back end. Reason being is, and I'll kind of go to that page really quickly, is that once this page, if it were to get published, that would actually end up coming up in search engines potentially, so that people would have access to it and it would be a half-finished page. So we don't want to do that. So we'll make sure that any pages aren't being used, you do delete, or as you have it here, put to draft, and then it won't show up in search engines. So first off, what I want to do is show you what to do as far as how to add this to the current home page. Here is the current home page right here. And what I'm going to do is, as you can see, I've already logged in. I'm just kind of on viewing the page, and I'm going to enable Visual Builder at the top. So this first step in this is going to be showing you how to take your current, the new slider you did, and move that into the current page. So I'm going to just simply go like this and right click on this on the bar here for the entire section and copy section. It's going to be that easy. Then we're going to go into the Energy Experts main homepage. I'm just reloading it so that I've got that ability to add it here. Enable the Visual Builder. And when we go here, I'm going to right click here and go paste section. And there you go. That showed up right there amazingly. Now I can just turn this, I can delete this one totally if I want to, just like this, and you're all set. Or I'm going to use this and show you the hiding thing, and I'm going to leave it to you. If you would like to delete this, no problem. You can go in and do that anytime. But here's what you can do. So I'm going to click on the gear. I'm going to go into the section settings and go into advanced and visibility, and we can literally say disable on tablet, desktop, and phone, save. Now when we're all done everything, we go to the bottom center there, click that purple button, and click the save button. And that pretty much does it. As soon as that is finished saving, we exit the builder, and lo and behold, there's your new slider working up, you know, the way that you wanted it on the home page, and you're all set. This is not live. It's all set. We've launched that. If you decide you don't want to do this, you want to change something or anything, all you have to go do is go into the Visual Builder, make your edits, and or you can then hide that section if you want to go back or need to go back for something in the future. And that's pretty much it. So I hope that makes sense. And if you got any questions, reach out anytime. Thank you.